संतोष ट्रॉफीच्या फायनल राउंडात गोंय ग्रुप एन आसा. ह्याच ग्रुपांत खडेगांठ सर्विसीस, वेस्ट बेंगाल, चंदीगड आणि मेघालय आसात. गोंयची पहिली मॅच मेघालया कडेन 12 मार्चाक बांबोळे स्टेडियमार जातली. प्लेयर बरे तरेन ट्रेनिंगान आपले 100% एफर्ट घालता. सध्या बऱ्यापैकी कॉम्बिनेशन सोदपाचेर कोच कॉस्टाचो भर आसा.
The players who have fitted in are doing also doing very well.
What about a replacement who has come for them?
See, we have brought some 4 or 5 people, just wanted to replace. Like Ponif is down with the second division in Hyderabad. So we have got a replacement for Ponif in the form of Nicholas and Nixon. So we are just looking for the right combination. Then there is full Jansha. We have brought in again Nicholas, and we are trying Peter in the defense also, because most of our defenders, stopper back especially, Lenny is also having a slight thigh injury. So the Peter is doing a good job in central defense.
It appeared to be different like a suspect like.
Yeah, Charles, but then that's the thing, because we have called in Ali, but at the last 11th hour he just moved on to Neroka Football Club. He got an offer from there. So that is a bit of
घरच्या मैदानार खेळप हें कांय प्रमाणात चड चॅलेंजिंग आसता अशें मॅथ्यू म्हणटा.
and playing in front of the home crowd is always a tough thing. But then the boys are very much motivated. They'll be getting. But the only request with the fans is just come up on the ground and just cheer the team up. It will boost their morale.
So which team will be your strongest opponent in your group?
Just for the last few years, everybody knows services are winning the trophy, So and they are in our group. Our group is very much tough. We are pitted against services, Chandigarh, Meghalaya, and Bengal.
So last time when you went for Western, there was lack of practice matches. Now this year ample of.
Lack of practice matches. Just the boys were playing. When we went for college, the boys were playing in their respective club, and the plus point was they were very much fit. So after this long layoff, we are getting back together. And then yes, definitely the preparation is going on well. We have played a practice match and we'll be playing 2 more.
Which is the strongest point in your team?
See our midfield.
Okay.
Yeah, and the other plus point is that our under 20 players are doing very good. So hopefully they continue what they.
So you have also like senior player like Peter Carvalho, Francis Fernandez. They played for Santos before also. So it will be added experience.
Of course, and the youngsters should learn a lot of things from these people. This is the same thing every day, in and out. We are, myself and my assistant now, but we are talking about them, the only this thing, because this players, experienced players are fantastic, man. They are helping a lot for the juniors.
आता फुटबॉल मोग्यांनी स्टेडियमार येवन गोंयच्या प्लेयरांक उर्बा दिवप हें काम मॅची दिसा फॅन्सांनी करप खूब गरजेचें आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.